green pepper, red pepper, and also hot dog and onion and garlic. So let's just wait until this one is cooked. Then we're going to make the sauce. Hi guys, I hope you are doing well today. I hope you're doing well today. Thank you for watching, JD Liodico, and also Liodico. Hey, hey. Do you watch the Skibidi Toilet? Why? I'm not, no. Why? Jamie Peterson. So I'm not a fan of Skibidi Toilet. You do watch it? Because I'm not a fan of Skibidi Toilet. So let's transfer this. So lots of like this. Why do you not? Thank you, but I'm not interested in, you know, Skibidi Toilet. Saan? Lakas mo na ilagay. You listen to Classical? No? Okay. No also. No. Eh. This is not good. Maybe this one. It's too hot. Another, we're going to... Do you listen to Quasi Cow? No, I don't. Like, do you listen to that?